seems to people that all composing is equal. So I would not be safe there, for I want thanks from the best. Though among the undiscerning and ladies of ill will, my songs might circulate. For I know what each one says in the most secret conversation, when through their lack of discernment they make ladies believe many ills and give them false counsels, that they should not suffer troubadours, and that by which love is nobly served. For the one who best deserves to ask is he who has more gracious qualities. If he is generous, courtly, and bold, and knows how to serve gracefully, what lady forbids him his song? It is true that composing without more is not supreme prowess, nor is one craft alone worth yet courtly praise. Fair speech and honored display are the advancement of all good worth. In this I hold myself enriched, because the fair one on whom my mind is set knows who speaks truth or lies to her. So I am utterly loyal to her, for a fickle or banal friend does not receive help from an honored place. So since honor pleases me so much, I must suffer the harms in peace, so that the profit may seem greater to me. Which of them I hold to be the worst, and there is no sorrow so heavy for a lover, nor harsh suffering than to honor lying slanderers. Lady, you are my guide entirely, for I have neither folly nor sense except at your command. So heartfelt is my desire that a year seems a day to me, though long waiting makes me afraid. And my song seems to me out of season, for courting without any deceits is a hard term of 3 years. MIRAVAL is worth twice as much to you, because you have it without any deceits. Lord, Audie, all worth is gilded by courting and love, and you will never follow hesitation more, since it pleases you.